In the bustling crowds of Borra Caves, there's a hidden treasure that few people know about. Welcome to Borra Waterhole, located near Borra Caves. The Gosthani River flows peacefully through a natural hole, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere. You can feel the magic of nature as the river winds its way through the heart of this hidden sanctuary. The sight is truly amazing as the river seamlessly flows into the hole, resembling a mysterious cave from a distance. The Borra Waterhole invites you to witness the marvels tucked away in Araku Valley, where each ripple narrates a tale and every step uncovers nature's secret treasures.